Okay, so now we are getting into the summary section of this and what each one of these means and how you should read this to your advantage. So development margin on cost will tell you the ballpark development margin that you are making on this side. Development margin on revenue. So now this is based on all the costs and this is based on revenue. So you're making about 24% on cost and 20% on revenue. Total profit per unit based on the number of units that you are developing. So if you are developing four based on this example, you've got $166,000 profit on each unit. That's your total profit. You're making $665,000 as a total profit. Again, this is residual value of land. Okay, now you've got your developer's equity contribution, which is 1124, which is based on the amount of money that you can borrow. And then you've got land versus GRV, which is the value of the land versus the gross realization value, which is about 45%. Construction versus TDC, that means your construction is about 37%. So now you want to make sure that your construction costs versus your total development cost is always less than 40%. Once it starts going more than that, you'll see that it'll start putting pressure on the value of the land as well. So you've got construction versus GRV, which is total sales. So construction value based on the total sale value or the gross realization value that you've got there. And then your return on equity, if you borrow money based on the total development costs or total costs, and return on equity based on if you are able to borrow money based on your total sales value. So you'll see that your return falls down if you are able to borrow less money. So if you borrow more money, that means there's more funding available for you for the development. You'll make a better return on your equity.